Hey guys, it's Richard from DiabloTutorials.com. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do a nice variation on the Vertex speed up, which I call V for Vertex.
The spice extends life. The spice.
In order to do this move, you should be pretty comfortable getting the Diablo into the Vertex position. You don't need to be a master, but it would help if you could keep the speed movement going for a while. Also, you should be very experienced doing the normal Chinese acceleration technique. If you're not, I would recommend drilling this skill a lot before trying this. Let's have a look at what's happening here. The Diablo is wrapped the whole time. When speeding the Diablo up with your dominant hand, you can change the angle and direction of its movement from the normal position over your right shoulder to a position over your left shoulder. When you start to wrap the Diablo with your right hand, lift your left hand up to about head height. After you wrap the Diablo, keep your right or dominant hand low. Keep your hands in this position when you start to accelerate the Diablo. Try to focus on the angle of the Diablo when you're accelerating it, and make sure your right or dominant hand pushes in the direction you want the Diablo to travel in. Now try to change the angle and direction of the Diablo by lowering your left or non-dominant hand and raising your right dominant hand. Your dominant hand needs to push and pull from the bottom right near your leg to your left shoulder.
The spice.
Look at the different positions of your hands and the direction that the dominant hand pushes and pulls. Now try to put both of these skills together and switch both sides so the Diablo ends up around your left and right shoulders. Now you should be ready to try accelerating the Diablo on both sides during Vertex. Also, it might be a good idea to wear sunglasses or some form of eye protection until you get comfortable with this skill. Good luck guys, and as always, let me know if you have any questions. Keep practicing.